KiddoGarten. Welcome again. Today we will learn less and greater symbol. Ready to learn? Choose the correct symbol. 2 is less, equals or greater than 4. 2 is less than 4. Perfect. How about this? Great! 3 is equals with 3. 6 is greater than 4. Could you guess it? Eight is greater than 5. How about this? 2 is less than 3. Good. 2 is equals with 2. Three is equals with 3. How about this? 5 is less than 7. 5 is equals with 5. Great! 1 is less than 2. Good. 2 is equals with 2. Could you guess it? Ten is greater than 8. Eight is equals with 8. Six is greater than 5. Perfect choice. 4 is equals with 4. Three is less than 4. 2 is less than 6. 5 is greater than 3. Choose the correct symbol. 4 is greater than 3.
Thank you for watching. Happy to learn and see you in the next video.